Sarah is 6 years younger than her cousin. In 3 years' time, their total age will be 34 years. How old is Sarah right now? Okay, right now means not in 3 years' time, but right now. Now, this is an age-related question, which means in 3 years' time, the difference in age remains at 6 years. Because the difference in age between two persons in terms of years will never ever change. Alright, so what we can do is we can draw a model for Sarah and a cousin. For Sarah, we will draw one box like this. For cousin, one box plus 6 years. And the total in 3 years' time will be 34. So since you're interested about Sarah, we try and find this box here. In 3 years' time, how old will Sarah be? In 3 years' time. Okay, so 34 minus 6, that will give us 28, and then 28 divided by 2, we'll get 14. So let me explain. 34, take away the 6, you'll get 2 equal units, and you divide that by 2, you get 14. So in 3 years' time, Sarah will be 14 years old. So how old is Sarah right now? 14, take away that 3 years. Okay, right now she will only be 11 years old. 11 years old.